So I wanted to do just a real quick update on the wire that I chose for the layout. Originally, I had started with 14 gauge stranded copper wire and made the decision to switch to 16 gauge. 14 gauge, my original thought process on that was, it never hurts to have a larger wire, but it proved to be unnecessary. 16 gauge is what I've used on my last layout. It's really recommended for our low voltage system. The system with the DCS or the base 3, it's such a low voltage system, you don't need a bigger wire. But I thought maybe the bigger wire would transfer the signal better, but it's really not true. Now, if you're running 30, 40, 50 feet runs, or really probably more on the 40 to 50 foot runs, maybe then, yeah, the 14 gauge would actually be beneficial for that long of a run. Being that my control station is in the middle of my layout, I'm running at best 25 feet, 20 feet in one direction. So I chose to go with the smaller gauge wire, which fits a little bit better in these terminal blocks or terminal strips. And then I also solder to the side of my rails, and it makes for a cleaner, easier solder as well over the 14 gauge. Now, there's nothing wrong with 14 gauge. I still kind of like that idea, but I chose to go to 16 gauge just to have it fit a little bit better with the layout that I'm doing. One thing I failed to mention is I did leave the 14 gauge going from the TIU on the other side into each one of these terminal strips. So I did use the 14 gauge there, and then some pretty heavy duty, kind of like 12 gauge wire that I used for going from the back of the transformers into the TIUs. So I forgot to mention that, but figured I would mention that I'm using the 14 gauge still at that location.